Hi, welcome to my LifePage. My name is Suyash Joshi. Today I will talk about a career in mobile application design and development. But before I do that, let me introduce myself. So I started my schooling actually in Dehradun. In class 6th or 7th, I got really excited I wanted to make games and write computer code because I had a computer at home and we had internet connection. In those days, it was kind of a big deal. And I used to get this magazine, I remember, it's called Digit, and it used to come with a CD disc that it had pre-installed applications and games, and that led me to picking a major in my college, for which I went to US, and I chose University of Michigan, where I majored in computer science, and then from there on, I started my career as a software engineer in Silicon Valley. Currently, I'm working at Oracle in San Francisco as a senior software engineer, and I make mobile apps for my company. Well, mobile app development is very exciting. Back in the day, I used to write computer programs on my desktop, and mainly I could share it with myself, or I could put it on a disk or even a floppy drive and share it with my classmates or my family friends. But today I write software for this phone, and I can put it on any app store or on the Android, or I can just even email the application and somebody can install it in other part of the world and give me feedback, or maybe buy my applications, and maybe one day I'll get rich. So really, mobile application development is learn the basics of coding or programming. So you can learn this at your school, college, or even online these days. There are so many YouTube videos and classes available for free. And thereon, so once you are comfortable writing basic software program and learn a little bit of coding, I would recommend going deeper and learning some more theoretical knowledge about computer programming, which will lead you into the subject of important skill is problem solving. Problem solving is really taking in a requirement or a problem. So, for example, I walk, let's say, 1 kilometer every day, and I need to track that I really walk 1 kilometer, and I want a program in my watch or in my phone that I carry with me. So this is a problem or a requirement. Now I have to find a solution. How will I make this happen? So being able to take a large problem or an idea and distill a solution for it, and then being able to write code are essential skills. The next skill would be analytical thinking skills. If I have any idea and I see a need for a solution and other people are having the same problem, I can work on my computer over the weekend and maybe create a prototype, and I can either put it on the App Store or I can share it with my friends and test it. So being able to quickly solve any problem technically that you want to have an application for is a great feeling. The other thing I really like about this job is that one of the big one is constant learning. So when you think you know everything, Google or Apple, they introduced a new operating system, or they may introduce a new device, and you have to learn again the whole process of making software applications. So currently I'm learning myself how to make applications for VR or virtual reality headsets, which run on Android, but it's a different form factor. Being able to constantly learn on the side, on your own, is one of the big challenges. Mobile software development can be very challenging because I start my day around 9 o'clock in the office. I arrive. First thing I do is I check my calendar and I see what my schedule looks like. In the morning, generally, I'm free, so I get some focus time to write some code, and my brain is fresh. I have high energy, so I try to get most of my key work done before lunchtime. I take lunch break around 1 o'clock, and after lunch, I would attend a few meetings. Now, meetings could involve designing a new feature for our application, so I will sit with my teammates, which would be designers, product managers, another software engineer, and we'll brainstorm. And after that meeting, I'll come back to my desk and try to take care of other non-urgent issues. So I'll handle emails, I will write up documentation for what I'm coding. I would maybe even talk to people who test our applications. Those are test engineers. And then finally, during the later half of the day, I'll try to get some more productive work done before I close the day and I go home around 5 o'clock. I hope I was able to give you a balanced view of a mobile app development engineer. Thank you.